New Braunfels investment advisor Joey Miller brings blue-collar reliability to trading and asset management. When clients are looking for a partner to help them manage their assets, advise them on investments, and plan their estates, they're looking for a handful of things. They want good returns on their investments, of course, but when choosing a financial partner or advisor, there are two things that truly make a difference. The best financial advisors provide consistency and peace of mind to their clients, ensuring that their assets and futures are secure even in the face of shifting markets and economic trends. With the economy changing and financial markets in flux, finding a business partner or financial advisor with a history of resilience and an eagerness to learn is crucial. With 20 years of investment experience, Joey Miller of New Braunfels, Texas has built his career helping his clients achieve financial goals and peace of mind. As a holder of Series 22, 63, and 65 securities licenses, and clients in over 40 states, Miller's dedication to client success is evident in both bearing and portfolio. Guided by strong fiscally conservative views, Joey Miller prioritizes prudent financial management and risk mitigation for his clients, ensuring their stability and peace of mind. Joey Miller comes from a blue-collar working background, where resilience and foresight allowed him to earn a living and adapt to challenges thrown his way. From working at the paper mill to starting his own company, Miller has experienced firsthand the importance and value of foresight, financial planning, and stability. It is those same experiences and grounded professional values that have defined Miller's pragmatic and reliable investment strategies today. Rock-steady financial decision-making. Both as a businessman and a leader, Joey Miller has to make smart decisions quickly every day. Effective decision-making is a critical skill for any entrepreneur, but it's even more crucial in his role as an investor and financial advisor. Why? Because his decisions directly impact the financial security and goals of his clients. To make the best decisions possible, Miller leverages a data-driven perspective and hones his instincts with continuous learning through peer networking, formal compliance training, and industry publications. I go to events and talk to professionals in my space regularly, Miller explains. The education is never over. It is an ongoing grind to better yourself and increase your knowledge. In the day-to-day operation of Joey Miller's firm, patience and persistence are key. Clients turn to them for security and growth, but the path to those things can be different for each client's unique financial situation. From quarterly reports, to monthly calls, to tax season, Miller's decision-making needs to be quick and adaptable to changing conditions in clients' lives. He does so by taking the resilience and patience he learned earlier in life and applying it every day. We are in the business of relationships, says Miller. We work hard to maintain them and check in on our clients as the market unfolds. We work with every client independently to help them achieve what their goals are. When working with clients, Joey Miller is looking to provide safety, consistency, and dependability through his financial guidance and investment plans. This means that, as opposed to technology industries, the best plans and decisions are grounded and consistent, not groundbreaking and creative. However, that doesn't mean there's no room for creative decision-making and planning. Every client's needs are unique, and thus every client plan is built specific to that individual's needs and goals, taking into account new ideas and proven trends alike. I help people invest their money, and fresh ideas are sometimes the exact opposite of what we are looking for, says Miller. We are looking for low-risk, dependable systems and processes that we can duplicate. It's the job of an advisor to always be researching on how they can better serve the client. In an era where the stock market's valuation is suspect, commodity prices are slow to rise, and a number of industries, including real estate, are suffering from high rates and other trends, consistency and reliability are king. Joey Miller offers precisely that in his investments and financial guidance. Clients are looking for reassurance, safety, and confidence in their chosen financial partner, and the strict pragmatism of Miller's company fits the bill. Setting goals and overcoming challenges. Where the day-to-day decision-making Joey Miller does with his business and clients has to be quick and adaptable, the process of setting goals and finding success doesn't. Every project starts the same way, by bringing the team together to get feedback, querying peers for relevant experience, and examining all the data possible. The best goals are discrete and achievable, especially when it comes to client investments, and thus are formed from the most robust data set possible. No matter the client, project, or high-level goal, the plan is based in sound research. Doing the research first and asking a lot of questions doesn't guarantee success, Joey Miller explains, but it gets us closer to the goal. It's never perfect or even easy, and every day presents challenges, but we keep moving forward with the best information we have at the time to reach our goals with more successes than losses. Miller's company manages a large number of clients, each with a range of goals and expectations. It's no surprise that the company has become adept at setting, managing, and achieving realistic goals. Quarterly reports and tax season events are good times for management and measurement, but they aren't the only ones. By leveraging weekly calls and, at least, 2 technology updates every year, Miller's team is able to track their progress and ensure their performance never comes up short. Pragmatic leadership in defining success. Joey Miller's pragmatic approach to his business operations extends to his leadership philosophy. His effective, led by example style and functional core values are rooted in his long career and his principles. He's often the first person to start working and the last person to leave, and is firm in his belief that a leader must be calming, patient, and enthusiastic about the work to be successful. I search and invest alongside my clients so that I have a vested interest in the same goals as them, he says. We share in the success and the failures and learn from them. I also like to surround myself with successful people, so I have resources to turn to when times are challenging. Joey Miller looks beyond mere financial metrics when it comes to defining success. Helping others, securing a future for his family, and spending time with the people he loves are the goals that drive him, and every chance he takes to be there for his community is a savored opportunity. His parents were able to build friendships, family, and community that followed them through life, and that is what success looks like to him. By helping clients find financial security, he's able to find that success with relationships that span the country.